Hi, kindergartners. This is Mrs. Thomas, and this is my foster dog, Luna. And today we are going to read a book to you called Roly-Poly Pillbugs, and it is written by Molly Smith. Roly-Polies. Pillbugs are small, brownish-gray creatures that are shaped like ovals. Sometimes they roll up into a ball to protect themselves. When they do, they look like little round pills. In fact, that's how they got their name. Rolled up pillbugs. Pillbugs have other names. They are also called woodlice, doodlebugs, and roly-poly bugs. On land and in the sea. Many people think that pillbugs are insects, just like ants, bees, and beetles. These creepy crawlers are not insects, however. Instead, they belong to a large group of animals that include shrimp, lobsters, and crabs. Most of the animals in this group live underwater. Pillbugs, however, live on land. And then we have a pillbug, a shrimp, and a crab. And then we have this really large creature, and it's called a giant deep sea isopod. The largest animal that is closely related to the pillbug is the giant deep sea isopod. It can be almost 20 inches long. A pillbug's body. There are about 4,000 kinds of pillbugs. Most are about 1/2 inch long. All of them have three main body parts: a head, a middle part, and an end part called the abdomen. All of their bodies also have a covering called an exoskeleton. The next part of the exoskeleton is made up of hard, thick plates. And here we see a picture of a pillbug, and we have the abdomen, 7 segments, the head, the legs, and then the middle part. Insects have 3 pairs of legs. Pillbugs, however, have 7 pairs. They are attached to 7 segments in the middle of a pillbug's body. Damp, dark homes. Crabs, lobsters, and other relatives of the pillbug use body parts called gills to breathe underwater. Pillbugs also use gills to breathe, but they use them on land. To do so, they have to stay only in wet, moist places. Rotting logs and piles of rocks or leaves are some of the dark, damp spots where pillbugs live. Leaves and logs for dinner. In the cool of the night, pillbugs come out to look for food. They mainly eat parts of dead plants. They are often found chewing on fallen leaves or rotting logs. Sometimes pillbugs eat parts of living plants too. A pillbug has a large pair of antennas on its head that it uses for feeling and smelling. The antennas help the pillbug find its food. And if you look at this picture, you can see the antennas. A pouch full of pillbugs. Just like adult pillbugs, baby pillbugs need water to live. They start out as eggs, protected in a watery pouch that a mother pillbug carries under her body. After a few weeks, the eggs hatch inside the pouch. The baby pillbugs stay in the pouch for another few weeks. Then they are ready to start living on land. So the small top picture here, we see the word eggs. And then on the bottom small picture, we see baby pillbugs in a pouch. And the little circle says a mother pillbug can carry up to 200 eggs in her pouch. Let me move myself. And here we see baby pillbugs leaving the pouch. So that's what they look like when they're ready to leave. Growing up, a baby pillbug looks like a tiny white adult. While it is growing to full size, it sheds its old exoskeleton and forms a bigger one several times. This change is called molting. With each molt, the pillbug becomes darker. So here's the old exoskeleton that it shed, and this is the baby pillbug. At first, a baby pillbug has only 6 pairs of legs. It grows its 7th pair after it molts for the first time. And now we see a picture of an adult pillbug. Staying safe. Spiders, lizards, frogs, birds, and shrews all like to eat pillbugs. Luckily, a pillbug has ways of staying safe from these enemies. Its dull color blends in with the earth and it helps to keep it hidden, or it helps it stay hidden. If a pillbug is still found by an enemy, it can roll up into a ball to protect the softer parts of its body. The hard plates on the pillbug's covering make it hard for the enemy to bite into it. At the top, we have a spider, and then a lizard, and a frog, and they're all trying to bite into a pillbug. Shrew. Some pillbugs can release a liquid that smells and tastes bad to the enemy. Winter homes. Pillbugs do not like cold weather. The ones that live in cold places make burrows for the winter. These homes may be in logs, under old boards, and even in buildings. The pillbugs go to sleep inside them. They stay in their burrows during the winter. In the spring, they come back out and return to their roly-poly lives. Pillbugs during winter. Most pillbugs live for about 2 years. Some can live as long as 5 years. And then this says a world of invertebrates. An animal that has a skeleton with a backbone inside of its body is a vertebrate. Mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians are all vertebrates. An animal that does not have a skeleton with a backbone inside of its body is an invertebrate. More than 95% of all kinds of animals on Earth are invertebrates. Some invertebrates, such as insects and spiders, have hard skeletons called exoskeletons on the outside of their bodies. Other invertebrates, such as worms and jellyfish, have soft, squishy bodies with no exoskeletons to protect them. So here are 4 animals that are related to the pillbug, and like pillbugs, they are all invertebrates. So we have lobster, shrimp, crayfish, and crab. And here we have a glossary, and it tells us about words that we read about in this book. So antennas, the long, thin body parts of a pillbug's head used for feeling and smelling. Here we have a backbone, a group of connecting bones that run along the backs of some animals such as dogs, cats, and fish, also called a spine. Insects, small animals that have 6 legs, 3 main body parts, 2 antennas, and a hard covering called an exoskeleton. And the last word in our glossary is segments, which are strip-shaped parts of a pillbug's body. And here we have the index, which we see in a lot of science books, and it tells us if we had this